Welcome to Naresh Technologies video sessions. My name is Subbaraju. I am the UNIX faculty. We'll see today at least what is an operating system in this session. Before we are going to operating system discussion, first we must know what is software. Collection of specialized programs is called a software. Again, it is classified into mainly two types. One is application software. Second one is system software. What is an application software? Which is going to meet all end user requirements like word processors, browsers, databases. All these are comes under application softwares. What is a system software? System software again classified into two types. One is operating system, another one is a system utilities. Before we are going to operating system, let me share with you what is system utilities. Utilities are nothing but the main functions which are doing in the operating system. Like for example, we can say disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, spotters. These are comes under mainly system utilities. And next, our topic, operating system. What is an operating system? Simple definition. Operating system is a software which operates all hardware components. ORR. Operating system is an interface between a human being and computer. If you see diagrammatically this picture, how available, we can try to observe that. Let me design a small picture. There is a kind of user and user. User is nothing but who is operating our system. Then you can take a kind of computer. Once a user need to interact and directly a user unable to interact with this one. There is a middle component is compulsory, that is nothing but operating system. That is simply we can say OS. In this scenario, what exactly OS is doing? Observe, a man is speaking to operating system in high level language. Again, operating system converting this one into low level language. Then again it is talking computer in low level language. Again it is converting into high level language. It is what exactly a perfect definition of operating system. So operating system is an interface between a user and a computer. Right? We can try to see what are the main functions of operating system. Generally, operating system has several functions. First one, memory management. Second one, file management. Third one, security. Fourth one, and we can say that one is disk management. Like this various functions available with our operating system. At least one or two words we can try to observe. What is the meaning of file management? For example, you created a file. Once you created a file and you are giving some name that one and you are saving some data, and whenever you need that one editing, and editing also you are doing with the help of some kind of right click or double click, whatever it is. But all these operations, who is operating? Really operating system operating. So file management, the capacity of the file, the storage of the file, number of characters, number of words, how many lines available, all these kind of information available with operating system. And if you come to another scenario, memory management, primary memory saying and main memory saying, and here ROM available as well as RAM. This complete control is only under operating system. So finally here, functions of operating system, another one is very important one is we are saying security. Security in the sense I am not speaking about any kind of hacking terminologies. I am speaking security related to process. whatever the security required. Whenever one process is running, without disturbing this process, another one, we are taking a kind of precautionary, that is operating system taking. If you open another job, if without disturbing the job, another one, it is taking precaution. This precautionary action is nothing but security. And after that, main one is job scheduling. Job scheduling is the main function in the operating system. For example, you open one task and another task, like these 3 jobs, for example, you can say, and these 3 jobs is under control of operating system, one after another, another after another one. So this is about the main functions of the operating system. Then we can try to observe what are the services of the operating system. And services also available here. First service is nothing but program execution. Generally, you are related to any kind of technology, any kind of related to you are a Java or a kind of .NET, PHP, C, C++. All these technology who is really executing the program, who is taking about that one, who is acting as an interpretation, is a mediator. So this is the main thing you need to remember. So in a simple word, let me show about that how it is interacting actually with hardware devices. For example, if you take an operating system is this one, and here there is a keyboard available. Now I want to press a key here, and this is going to first, there is a driver available. This is we are calling as device driver. This device driver taking a input from the keyboard is a software again, and it is converting into operating system. That is the reason device driver is the most important component in the operating system. Without a device driver, there is no device will be operate. So that is what exactly the meaning of the device driver. Every device, you can take mouse, you can take a pen drive like USB. Any kind of new component, device driver is a mandate. So once it is a hardware, required device driver, that is talking to operating system. This is what exactly the communication happens. And program execution, I said, same kind of program execution also. We are loading. If you want to run a Java program, you are installing Java, means some kind of software again acting. So it is giving input like that. So finally, so services of operating system is first I said program execution. Next one, IO operation, input output operations. That is nothing but either keyboard or mouse or etc. Whatever the devices it is, they maybe touch pen, touchpad, whatever you are going to be take. All these are comes under services. Finally, what are the types of operating systems? In IT industry right now, there are the number of operating systems available, but operating systems mainly divided into 3 types. One is single user, single tasking, that is SUST we are calling. Second one is single user multitasking, and third one is multi-user multitasking. This is the latest generation operating system, MUMT. M-U-M-T. We'll try to see what is single user single tasking. For example, one operating system, one person at a time can able to operate. Best example, you are typing some job, you are typing something on the notepad. You cannot print simultaneously through printer. It's not possible. These are called single user single tasking. And second one is nothing but, I said already, multi-user single tasking. Means what? Multiple users can share one task, but multiple tasks not possible here. That means one user is going to be type, but simultaneously print also, but another user cannot print. One user only can able to print. And third one is multi-user multitasking. What exactly that? So any number of users can provide any number of tasks. This is the latest generation operating systems, including smartphone operating systems we can say. So finally, operating system majorly divided into 3 types. One is SUST, single user single tasking. Another one is multi-user single tasking, must. Third one is multi-user multitasking. These are the 3 types of operating systems available. We'll try to see through these some kind of screenshots and some kind of presentation also in detail. Software refers a program, set of instructions and applications used to manage and control various functions of a computer. Any definition we can say, various definitions available. As I said, types of softwares many, and here majorly 2 types. One is application software, another one is a system software. Right? Application software we can say performs information processing tasks for end users, like for example word processors, spreadsheets, presentations, databases, browsers, all these are comes under application softwares. If you are going to system software, it manages and controls operations of computer. It is basically two types. Again, first one is operating system, second one is system utilities. What is an operating system? We'll discuss that one. First we can see utility kind of. Utility software is based on basic performance and maintenance of the computer, and we can try to observe disk cleanup is a best utility to clean the disk and to scan that, and it is giving and deleting extra and temporary files, unnecessary files, all the things like cookies also, and it is giving more boost to the system. And another one is disk defragmenters. It is another kind of defragmentation, is reassemble and reassemble and fragmented files. It is also increasing and accessing speed of rearranging. And another one is nothing but disk compressors and archives, and is nothing but disk compression is a type of function that allows for a program to search your hard drive and compress files. And another one is system restore, is nothing but restoring whatever the fixing problems like virus kind of files available and any kind of temporary files available. It is also removing, and it is out of the malware. And registries is cleaners. It is every time is going to be check the registry errors and deleting and putting more functionality of the performance or repairs and the needed. And finally, file spotters, and these we are calling as a program allows a break a file, smaller pieces order to store send files. And these are the different kind of disk utilities. And we can see another one is operating system. As I said, operating system is an interface. Yes, how it is going to be work, and functions already explained to you: memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security, job scheduling, all the things available here. Types of operating systems, as I said, mainly three, but we can say many, and we can say single user, single tasking is nothing but these are the simple operating system designed to manage one task at a time. And next one is some single user multitasking operating. One user can perform simultaneous task. You can give a print, you can listen a music, and you can do anything. And multi-user operating systems, like this various kind of operating systems available. And once we are coming to that information about our detailed in the form of PPT, we can observe. And this is a simple and detailed information about your operating system. And once you are observing, there are the huge collection of operating systems available. I am discussing this session, this main video session is concentrated on every kind of. So operating system, Windows separately, UNIX separately, Linux separately not available. Operating system is only one buzzword. It is related to total software industry. And once you are coming to these kind of operating systems, our main UNIX operating system is here available. And if you are coming to this operating system duty, as I said already, there is a device driver available in between, and the device driver is doing here, and device driver completely information is passing to the world. So operating system controlling. Then once you are going to be the functions of operating system, file management, memory management, IO system management, networking, like this different kind of functions an operating system doing. Listen guys, here whatever in detail information available with you, and all these are completely related to functions of an operating system. And mainly you need to remember file system manipulation. Generally FAT file system available, NTFS file system available. This is completely under control of operating system. And come to, and as I said, types of operating systems already shown to you, and different types of available. But remember, three main operating systems: single user single tasking, multi-user single tasking, multi-user multitasking. So these are the types of operating systems. Guys, catch you for more video sessions related to UNIX and operating system. Meet you in the next session.